In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma frames and auto layout. If you've been wondering how to effectively utilize these features in Figma to enhance your design workflow, you're in the right place. Let's dive in step by step to make your design process more efficient and streamlined. First things first, let's head over to Figma, which is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already, simply navigate to their website. Once there, you'll want to log in. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one, but for those who do, clicking on the login button will lead you directly to your workspace. Now that you've logged in, you'll find yourself at Figma's home interface. This is where you can access all your recent files and projects. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this environment because it's your main hub for managing and navigating through your design projects. The next move is to click on Frame. Frames in Figma are akin to artboards in other design tools, acting as canvases for your designs. You can create multiple frames to organize different screens or components of your project. Simply selecting the frame tool will allow you to draw out a frame of any size on your canvas. It's a flexible feature to help you lay out your designs systematically. Once we have our frame in place, let's focus on adding objects. Clicking on Object will provide you with various elements that you can incorporate into your frame. These could be shapes, text, or imported assets, which you can easily drag and drop into your design space. This step is crucial as it populates your frame with the components you will be working with. With your objects in place, understanding and setting constraints is vital. Constraints in Figma determine how your objects behave when the size of their frame is altered. Clicking on constraints allows you to adjust settings such as left, right, center, top and bottom alignment, offering you precise control over object positioning within a frame. In the event you want to modify an object further, right-clicking on it presents a host of options. It's a useful tip to remember because right-clicking often reveals additional functionalities that the top menu doesn't immediately display. Finally, one of the most powerful features of Figma is the auto layout. To add this, right-click on your subject and select Add Auto Layout. Auto Layout is a game changer, especially for responsive designs, as it automatically arranges objects within a frame according to specified rules, such as vertical or horizontal alignment, padding, and spacing. This functionality not only saves time but also ensures consistency across your design. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Figma frames and auto layout, making your design process not only more organized but also adaptable and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore these features in depth to unlock the full potential of your design projects in Figma.